A tester was locked out of his car for being drowsy after a 12-hour shift. Imagine your car shuts down at 65 miles per hour from a detected blink. That's not safety, it's a liability nightmare disguised as federal law. All physical connections between you and your car are now computer signals. Essentially, your car is a 7,000-pound smartphone. Manufacturers maintain a permanent backdoor into your engine's computer. The 2026 mandate forces automakers to activate this kill switch. The farming industry already faced this precise battle and lost. John Deere argued farmers only licensed their tractors' proprietary software. Farmers couldn't repair software errors, not even reset fault codes. This exact future awaits your car. What's next for drivers? Watch the full video.